Alright guys, welcome. In today's video we're going to go over 2.2.6, how to create the barrel bottom of the carabiner shuttle pen. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and start here with a new, and I already have a new project called 2.2.6. Again, if you need to start a new project, you click projects and then you start a new project and give it 2.2.6. The name should be 2.2.6. That way, when you save all your parts, it can be in one folder for 2.2.6. So I'm going to go ahead and click a standard and then create. Alright, so I'm going to start a new sketch here on the XZ plane, which is this one. Then I'm going to go ahead and sketch a vertical line. Doesn't matter the size right now because we're going to give it a dimension later on. I'm going to press escape. What I am going to do is I'm going to right click and make this a center line. Okay. Then I'm going to go ahead and add another line here at the bottom. There we go. Doesn't matter the size as long as it's horizontal. Another line at the top. Again, size doesn't matter as long as it's horizontal. Okay. So let's go ahead and dimension these lines. So I'm going to click dimension. This line, I'm going to click the point and the center line here. I'm going to give it 0.19. Okay, now I'm going to do the same thing for the top line. Now this one I'm going to give it 0.535. So the next part is going to be dimensioning these two lines. And the size is going to be 0.563. 0.563. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and zoom out. There we go. That's a little better. There we go. And then now I'm going to go ahead and create a 3-point arc, which is this one, 3-point arc. I'm going to select this end point here and then this end point here. And again, in the size, you're going to type in the box 1.5. That should be the radius. Enter. Now we can go ahead and finish the sketch. And then now we can go ahead and select the revolve command. All the settings are correct. Okay, you can just press OK. And then now we have our new model here. Okay, I'm going to rotate it this way. Make sure you rotate it the same as well. I'm going to be working from this angle here. Then I'm going to go ahead and click a new plane. And I'm going to select the face here, this plane. I'm going to click and drag it. And then in the box, I'm going to type in 13/16. So 13/16. And I'm going to press enter. I'm going to drag it down. I'm going to create a new sketch on the big circle here. I'm going to create a circle. The size is going to be 0.465. Enter. I'm going to go ahead and finish. Now I'm going to go ahead and create a new sketch on the work plane here. So this one. There we go. I'm going to sketch another circle. There we go. The size for this circle is going to be 0.560. I'm going to press enter. I'm going to finish the sketch. Now I can go ahead and use the loft command and choose both circles. So loft command, I'm going to choose this circle here. There we go. Now I'm going to choose this circle here. There we go. There we go. I'm going to press OK. And now we have our loft activated. Okay, so let's go ahead and continue on to the next step. I'm going to go ahead and create a new sketch here at the end of the circle. I'm going to sketch another circle. The size is going to be 0.57. I'm going to press enter. I'm going to finish, and then I'm going to go ahead and extrude. And in the box, I'm going to go ahead and type, let's see, 0.075. Enter. Okay. So now I'm going to go ahead and do a new sketch. Here, another circle. This time the size is going to be 0.560. 0.560. Enter. Then I'm going to go ahead and finish and then extrude again. I'm going to select this part and the middle as well. And then it's going to be the size 375. I'm going to go ahead and add the 3. Then I'm going to press OK. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and do the shell command. So I'm going to click on the shell command. I'm going to select both sides of the circle, both ends here, this end, and then this end as well. And then the thickness here, I'm going to select, I'm going to type in 0.035. 0.035. And then I'm going to press OK. There we go. So now we have our shell command activated. So next up, I'm going to choose the thread command. Thread here. Make sure this is in 2A. This one we're going to go to 9/16-20. 9/16-20. Then I'm going to select OK. So the last part is going to be to change the color and the material and then to save our work. So up here where it says default, I'm going to click on this, scroll all the way down where it says white. I'm going to select it. And then here where it says generic, I'm going to scroll down to the plastic. I'm going to choose PC ABS plastic. Okay. Then I'm going to go ahead and save my work. Save, it's already saved in this project, 2.2.6. All I have to type is barrel bottom. Unless you can even add your last name to the name of the part as well. And then you can go ahead and save. And then again, you can always press text. And then you can always select the plane to add your name. Once you have the plane, then you can go ahead and draw a text box. Okay, let's see. Let's pick. Again, you can add your name that way, and then you can rotate it. So now you can rotate it so that your name is readable. And then you can go ahead and save it again and then take a full window screenshot. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video.